Manath, next up, we have a superstar.
Yeah, I mean, we all know she has a huge fan following.
And India is lucky to have her because she's one of the most reliable and easy source of information, education, and financial awareness.
Honestly, she has one of those voices that you actually want to sit down and listen to.
Energetic, passionate, full of wisdom, and a mentor for all the financial freaks. Please welcome everybody, Rachana Ranade.
Arguably one of India's most respected finance influencers, Rachana Ranade's jargon-free practical education on stocks and mutual funds has empowered lakhs to take control of their money. Her impact on financial literacy has been truly extraordinary.
Hello, ma'am. Big fan. And as a fan, I have a question for you. You have empowered lakhs of Indians to take control of their finances. What inspired you to start this journey, and how have you seen the Indian investor mindset evolved over these so many years?
I think with my journey, what I could witness is so many people getting attracted to this magical world of investing. I can share so many examples, but just to quote one or two out of those, which keeps on inspiring me to create more and more content. I was at another award function the other day, and there was a lady who got an award for keeping Pune, the city from where I belong. So she actually runs a cleanliness-related organization separating dry waste and wet waste, and she was the award winner in that category. She walked up to me and she said that, Rachana, I'm illiterate. In Marathi, she said, "मी अंगूठा छापा है, मला लिहिता वाचता येत नाही, I can't read and write. But only after consuming your content through your Marathi channel, I started my first very SIP of 500 rupees. I asked my daughter, who is 12th standard pass, she helped me open an account, and she has started an SIP for me." And I think such examples just bring in more and more energy for me. So I feel that rather than how I started, I think now these are the examples that keep me going day in and day out.
Definitely.
Yes,
I mean, honestly, I also have one question for you. You must have met a lot of fans. Is there anything funny or embarrassing that you want to tell us?
Yeah, funny for sure. I keep on eating out. You can see that. So I was at one of the hotels in Pune the other day, and there were 4 or 5 kids who were playing around our table. The oldest must be like in grade 3.
Right.
And in Marathi we do like jastichi majority and while playing kids. Right? So just for fun, I went there. I also put my hand right there and I said that, "Is it okay if I play with you all?" The elder one says, "Mala mahiti hai tu kon hai, so I know who you are."
Right.
I said, "How do you know me?" He told me that you come on YouTube. I said, "Oh really, you know what content I create?" He said, "I can't tell that." So I said, "Okay, I'll give you options. Do I do comedy videos or singing or dancing, or do I talk anything about money?"
Right.
And he answered, "You talk about money."
That's
So I'm
great.
so glad that a grade 3 kid knows something about money. Maybe he will not understand 99% out of it, but that 1% interest that kicks into his head,
Right.
I'm sure that will help him make a better investor someday or the other.
Sure. I mean, that's truly inspiring. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so much.
Rachana.
Thank you.
Congratulations
Thank you
again.
once again.